So let's see here technology readiness level. We were talking about what are the challenges, what are the demand that we have, and about the sustainable development goal 7. So now let's see are we ready? Are we really ready to use this technology? Like, before we go deep, here we have the basic research. If we're going to do anything, any new technology, if you want to come up with any new technology, first you're going to do a basic research, then there is an applied development, then there is a operational deployment, right? So we can say feasibility to demonstration. We have to study there are a lot of pre-feasibility study and feasibility, right? But here the main point is from feasibility to demonstration. So I can tell we are already on this level, on the commercial deployment regarding the wind turbine and solar panel, anything, any related renewable energy sources. They are already in the market. So it's not necessary to talk about this, but for your knowledge, for your information, it's better to know the level that we are now. But still, there is one simple question that we have to ask: are they efficient enough? Are they going to replace the non-renewable energy sources? Let's say if you take a car operated by fuel, it could be diesel or benzene, and if you take an electric vehicle car, there's a big difference regarding efficiency, right? We all know if we want to fuel your car, it's going to take almost 5 or 10 minutes, right? But if you want to fuel, or if you want to charge your electric vehicle, it's obvious it's going to take 2 hours, 3 or 4 hours, like especially during the night. We charge our electric cars in the night, so we can use them freely in the day, right? So this is an efficiency question. Can we charge an EV within 5 minutes? I think we can, but the most recent development is, I'm not quite sure, but the most recent development is the European, they have an electric vehicle which can be charged within 30 minutes. Don't get me wrong, like this is from what I read, but they can charge electric vehicle with 30 minutes. But if we go into the China, there is a claim that they can charge an EV vehicle within 15 minutes. Like they come up with that kind of technology. So this is all about an efficiency competition towards the net zero emission by 2050. So still this is a question. So we can say we need to go back here, and we need to do some research. We need to ask ourselves what kind of things are we encountering, and we have to then repeat all these steps until we reach the commercial deployment of an efficient renewable energy sources. Okay, so let's carry on. Okay, now let's see about the renewable energy overview. What kind of renewable energy source do we have? The first one is we have wind energy. It could be onshore or it could be offshore. This basically means the one that we use outside of the sea, and the one that we install, the wind turbines, if we install them in the ocean or in the sea, we can say these are offshore. And if we install them outside of the sea, normally in the land, we can say they are onshore. And we have hydropower, we have biomass energy. Hydropower is obvious, it comes from the water. We all know this one. Biomass energy can be from natural waste, it can be wood, or it can be food or crop waste. And we have the other one, solar energy. We will see about this all things regarding the photovoltaic grids, isolated and thermal solar energy storage systems. We will see about them. And we have the geothermal energy, which is earth heat and rocket. The same thing. So we can conclude that we have a massive amount of renewable energy sources. The thing is, how are we going to use them? So let's go into the biomass energy, and we will see what does this mean, from where do we get this energy, and also at the same time we're going to see the advantage, the challenges, and especially how we can process. There are processes that we convert the natural resource, natural waste into energy sources, and we'll see about them. So let's carry on.